Am I the only one who used to ruin cheesecakes with cracks? Let's fix that today. Cheesecakes are a keto dream come true. Today, we're making a smooth, crack-free keto cheesecake with a delicious almond flour crust. First, blend almond flour and melted butter, then press it into your pan for the perfect base. Now, let's talk filling. Creamy and dreamy. Beat cream cheese until fluffy. Add in your favorite sweetener like erythritol, and don't forget those eggs, one at a time. For flavor, how about zesty lemon, rich chocolate, or cozy pumpkin? The secret to no cracks? Bake your cheesecake in a water bath. It's like a spa day for your dessert. And there you have it, the ultimate keto cheesecake. Perfectly creamy, perfectly smooth, and perfectly crack-free. Enjoy every delightful bite. Thanks for sticking around to the end. If you're excited to try more amazing keto recipes, hit the subscribe button below and tap the bell icon so you're the first to know when I upload new content. The full recipe and tools I used today are linked in the description down below, along with some of my other favorite keto desserts and recipes. Let me know in the comments how your keto cheesecake turns out. See you in the next one, and happy baking!